The truMedic TENS units are enabling regular people to take charge of their pain on their own terms. They use TENS, or transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulation technology, to block pain signals at the source. If the pain signals can't reach the brain, the user doesn't feel the pain. This is accomplished without the use of drugs and the related costs, addictions, and side effects. The micro sensations are transmitted through the electrode pads directly to the area the body is experiencing the pain. And because the treatment is so targeted and specific, well, people find it extremely effective in treating pain in areas such as the neck, back, shoulder, the foot, hand, and more. For so many people, truMedic TENS units are the single most important way to make it through the day without pain. What we really love doing is making our products even better and easier for our customers. That's why we're really proud to introduce the TM-1000PRO TENS unit today. FDA cleared for over-the-counter use. It's thin, it's lightweight, balancing perfectly in the hand and controlled entirely by push buttons. There are no confusing menus and dials to adjust. truMedic was able to do away with all of the technical jargon and hide tremendous technology and pain-fighting power behind simply labeled buttons and automatic procedures. Buttons are labeled with words like back, joint, shoulder, leg, not pulse width and waveform, other confusing scientific terms. The first truMedic TENS unit was a built-in, rechargeable lithium-ion battery. The TM-1000PRO offers the latest in battery technology and does not suffer from the memory effect of outdated designs. Keeping a supply of disposable batteries on hand and fumbling with changing the batteries is no longer necessary. Users can now take advantage of pain relief without interruption for hours at a time. The built-in timer circuitry allows treatment sessions from 20 minutes all the way up to 2 hours. And thanks to the 2 separate built-in channels, users can add extra power to treat one specific area in pain, treat 2 different areas at once, or even share a treatment session with a loved one. With the new truMedic TM-1000PRO, the experience begins with the large, bright, backlit LCD screen. It shows everything that's happening at a glance, clearly, even when the user is relaxing in a darkened room. It's easy to see which mode, which setting, and intensity level is being chosen. By selecting one of the clearly labeled operating buttons, the user can choose between 20 incremental intensity levels suitable for any tolerance. This level of simplicity, power, and functionality is something we've never done before in a personal pain relief TENS unit. At truMedic, we want everyone to live life to the fullest, to get back out there, play their best game, give the garden the attention it deserves, and spoil the grandkids, to be involved. We believe a person should enjoy the day, not just get through it.
Hi, my name is Dr. Philip Fakay. I've been practicing chiropractic for over 25 years. During this time, I've treated patients in both acute pain and those with chronic pain as well. Many times, a patient needs support when they're at home, and I send them home with TENS units. For over a year and a half now, I've been using truMedic products. This unit, the truMedic TM-1000PRO, is a unit that I find is very easy for the patients to use because the buttons are clearly identified and labeled. It makes it easy for a patient to turn on and off. With old TENS machines, they're playing with many different functions, and I find that patients can't truly utilize the machine to their benefit. And I have found through experience that even my most senior patients can program the machine with ease. They're very comfortable changing settings, and that really makes a difference if we're going to have compliance. The truMedic TENS unit also has 20 levels of power settings available to the patient, so they can get to the level that's most comfortable and firmest for them, so they get the maximum benefit of the proposed treatment. But from a practical standpoint, for over 25 years, we've used TENS safely and reliably in practice.
My name is Marie Boyarsky, DC, and chiropractic is the love of my life. I just want to talk about the TENS unit and how I used it in my practice for all these years. In the beginning, I realized that it had a very important function in my office. The TENS unit that I'm using now is the T1000PRO. I I like it very much because it's just so portable, because I'm traveling in a motorhome, or I'm in Europe, or I'm traveling for weekends, and I always have a 10's unit with me, because you never know. If I have a knee pain or a low back pain or a stiffness in the back of my neck, or even I use it for a TMJ problem, it always seems to give relief, and it's got a good strength.
Over my 25 years of practice, I've also had my days when I'm sore, and I find that this unit has been very helpful in easing some of that discomfort. By having a TENS unit as part of your home healthcare kit, patients are more able to self-treat initially during a bout of pain instead of relying on medications to do so.
At truMedic, our passion is helping people deal with their pain. We never forget that it's all about the customer, and all of our products are developed with one simple goal in mind: to be there when our customers need us. That's why every one of our products is backed by an ironclad, no questions asked money-back guarantee. We want all of our customers to be completely satisfied with our products, our service, and especially our people.